When you hear the word reliability, Japanese brands usually lead the pack, and Lexus sits right at the top nearly every single year. That's exactly why we're here. Today, I'm breaking down the most reliable Lexus sedans on the used market. The ones that give you luxury without the headaches, performance without the constant repairs, and dependability without the new car price tag. And if you're currently shopping for a used Lexus sedan, drop the model and year in the comments. And before you buy any used Lexus, there's one specific mistake I see buyers make all the time that turns a smart buy into a money pit. Make sure you watch until the end, because that one detail could save you thousands. Let's get into it. Number 10. 2010 Lexus HS, under $5,000 to around $14,000. Quality and reliability score, 86 out of 100. Average annual maintenance costs, $371. One of the earliest versions of a hybrid in the Lexus lineup is the 2010 HS. It only made sense to add a hybrid to the luxury arm, thanks to the success of the Toyota Prius. This gave owners luxury, comfort, and quality while enjoying Prius-level efficiency on the road. Since 2010, the HS has had 7 recalls, and some owners have reported issues with the electrical system. For a small car, the Lexus HS was packed with the features that made it a true Lexus. It has a supple ride, a quiet cabin, and handles extremely well. Just about every feature you could ask for was offered for this car, making it an easy choice when you want a reliable hybrid to drive. Number 9. 2012 Lexus LS, around $9,900 to over $24,000. Quality and reliability score, 83 over 100. Average annual maintenance costs, $708. The Lexus LS historically posts some of the highest dependability numbers among luxury sedans, and it's easy to see why. The Lexus LS is the full-size flagship sedan from the brand that gives you impressive features and qualities that make driving more pleasurable. The 2012 version sometimes suffers from the power door lock actuator becoming burned out, but otherwise doesn't have many problems reported for it. The Lexus LS 460 is a treat to drive, giving you the benefits of a long wheelbase, which translates to additional space in the cabin. It's powered by a strong 4.6-liter V8 engine that feels smooth and right for daily driving. The cabin is quiet, thanks to the impressive insulation, and you can find some models with reclining rear seats, a refrigerated beverage cooler, and a rear seat entertainment system. Number 8. 2020 Lexus ES, around $20,000 to the high $30,000. Quality and reliability score, 84 out of 100. Average annual maintenance costs, $468. Mid-size sedans are some of the most trusted vehicles on the road. They fit the bill for growing families and commuters alike, striking an excellent balance of roominess, efficiency, and driving dynamics. The 2020 Lexus ES adds the high-end luxury qualities desired, making it a top choice in its class. This model is prone to premature brake pad and rotor wear, along with other issues related to the braking system. The base Lexus ES35 is one of the most popular choices among drivers because it brings a fantastic package of features and qualities into the mix. This trim rides on 17-inch wheels, power front seats, a tilt telescoping steering column, faux leather upholstery, and the Lexus Safety System Plus suite of driver's assistance features, making it a complete package for any driver. Number 7. 2015 Lexus IS, around $7,000 to over $20,000. Quality and reliability score, 84 out of 100. Average annual maintenance costs, $588. The 2015 Lexus IS could be the car that you love to drive every day. Not only is it one of the most reliable cars of its model year, but it was also praised for its handling and comfort, making it a great car for road trips and everyday driving needs. Some issues reported by owners include fuel pump failures and engine stalling, which led to a recall being issued. The IS is a small luxury sedan that entered the 2015 model year with an improved interior and more legroom for rear passengers than before. If you want a stylish and sporty luxury sedan, this Lexus could be right for you. For a little driving excitement, the IS 350 is the right choice, giving you more power than the IS 250. Number 6. 2022 Lexus ES, around $29,000 to over $40,000. Quality and reliability score, 87 out of 100. Average annual maintenance costs, $468. This later generation of the Lexus ES continues to lead the way with strong scores for reliability and quality, despite stricter scoring. This should give you a good feeling about driving the 2022 ES, which is an excellent mid-size sedan with modern safety and technology to keep you happy and secure behind the wheel. Some owners have reported lower than average ratings for engine power and poor sound quality of the audio system. If you want to find a version of the ES that brings you the most value and features, the ES 350 with the Ultra Luxury package is what you should look for. This model gives you special 18-inch wheels, semi-aniline leather upholstery, a hands-free power trunk lid, a power rear sunshade, a wood and leather steering wheel, and an adaptive suspension. These items ensure you have the added comfort and quality you're looking for in a luxury sedan. Number 5. 2015 Lexus GS, around $11,000 to over $30,000. Quality and reliability score, 89 out of 100. Average annual maintenance costs, $679. During the 2013 to 2015 model years, the Lexus GS was praised for a good balance of handling and comfort. This car slots between the ES and LS, giving drivers a larger mid-size sedan that is offered with several trims and powertrain configurations. Some of the most common issues with the 2015 Lexus GS include premature brake wear and braking failure. Driving a Lexus GS is a pleasurable experience. This luxury sedan is large enough to feel stately, but small enough to be agile and enjoyable on the road. Choosing a model with the F Sport package ensures greater performance and handling, giving your GS a sporty side that still handles your daily driving needs with ease. As you would expect from a Lexus, this sedan is safe and reliable thanks to the standard package of safety features and the Inform Safety Connect system, which alerts emergency personnel in case of a crash. Four. 2022 Lexus IS, around $20,000 to mid-$40,000. Quality and reliability score, 89 out of 100. Average annual maintenance costs, $543. The 2022 Lexus IS brings a strong blend of sporty handling and Lexus reliability to the market. It has topped some lists as one of the best sedans in terms of owner satisfaction, and it's easy to see why. The IS is a comfortable, compact, luxury sports sedan that delivers excellence on every road. You might face issues with the EVAP system, which could fail, or a failed mass airflow sensor, which are two of the most common problems for the 2022 IS. If you want a sporty and performance-oriented Lexus sedan, the IS 500 is hard to beat. On the other hand, if you're looking for a car that is good for daily driving, the mid-range IS 350 could be right for you. This lower trim can be had with the F Sport package, which gives you the sporty features you want, like 19-inch wheels with larger rear tires, a cold air intake system, a limited slip rear differential, an F Sport exhaust, and heated and ventilated sports seats. Number 3. 2011 Lexus GS, around $5,500 to $12,000. Quality and reliability score, 90 out of 100. Average annual maintenance costs, $537. Right up at the top of the Lexus sedan list is the 2011 GS. While this car is 14 years old, it is one of the highest rated cars from Lexus thanks to its build quality and comfort. This model year featured a few issues, including cooling system clogs, engine rattles, transmission vibrations, and suspension issues. The most popular trim is the GS 350, which is a great choice when you want an upscale, mid-size luxury sedan. This version is sportier than you might expect, while offering comfort and upscale features, including a finely crafted interior with supple leather and rich wood trim. You'll have plenty of power on tap from the 3.5-liter V6, which produces 30 horsepower and returns 19 city, 26 highway mpg. But if you want more power, the GS 460 is the way to go. Two, 2014 Lexus ES, around $7,000 to over $20,000. Quality and reliability score, 90 out of 100. Average annual maintenance costs, $552. J.D. Power has reported very few problems per 100 vehicles for the Lexus ES over its history on the market, which is a contributing factor to its high reliability ratings. The 2014 ES is the right car in the middle of the lineup, giving you a fantastic mid-size sedan that is easy to drive and enjoy. Some owners have reported issues with noises, leaks, and squeaks, along with some vibrations from the brakes at times. Two powertrains were offered in the 2014 Lexus ES, the venerable 3.5-liter V6 for the ES 350 and a hybrid setup for the ES 300h. If you want to feel the highest form of luxury in this sedan, choose the ultra-luxury trim and enjoy the comfort of semi-aniline leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, a power thigh extender for the driver, a heated wood and leather steering wheel with power tilt telescope operation, and a premium audio system. Number 1. 2010 Lexus LS, from $8,500 to $19,750. Quality and reliability score, 91 out of 100. Average annual maintenance costs, $740. The 2010 Lexus LS scored exceptionally well in owner surveys, and it is the most reliable Lexus sedan on the used market. This full-size sedan can be a stately, executive-level car that's easy to drive and enjoy. The LS 460 is one of the most popular choices, giving you good power for a smooth drive. The 2010 LS suffers from clicking or knocking noises from the brake actuator, wipers that stop working, and vibrations when accelerating below 80 miles per hour in some models. The 2010 LS received significant updates, which it was due for since it hadn't been updated in at least 3 years. This Lexus sedan can be very comfortable for all passengers and features a Barclounger-style footrest in the rear, along with a refrigerator, DVD player, and seats that recline 45 degrees, making this an area where you want to spend more time than behind the steering wheel. So after breaking down the best Lexus sedans to buy used, here's the bottom line. From someone who sees these cars from underneath, not just on a spec sheet. And remember, buying used doesn't mean settling. When you choose the right Lexus, you're not just buying luxury, you're buying engineering that lasts, comfort that holds up, and a sedan that doesn't beg for attention at the repair shop.